In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the integration between High Level and the Upsell plugin. The first thing you'll want to make sure you have is the Upsell plugin app installed on your High Level account. So if you come to your High Level account, click on the app marketplace, come down to WordPress, you'll see the Upsell plugin app right here. You're going to want to make sure that this is installed inside of your High Level account. Once you have that installed, you're going to come back to your WordPress website, hover over Upsell, click on Settings, click on Email Marketing, and scroll down to the High Level configuration. You're going to click this button, Authorize with High Level. It will redirect you back to the Upsell plugin website, and you will want to log in with your Upsell plugin username and password you created during the checkout process. Once you log in to the Upsell plugin, it's going to prompt you to log into High Level if you're not already logged in on the same browser. So let me go ahead and log into High Level. You should now see a list of your accounts or sub-accounts. Go ahead and click the sub-account in which you would like to connect the Upsell plugin with. And now you'll see that it automatically brings in all of the High Level configuration information needed. Now if we go to our products, you can choose any product you'd like. Come down to the Email Marketing tab. You will now see your tags that you have set up inside of High Level being populated inside of the High Level integration on your WordPress website. I'm going to now walk you through an example just to show you how the tags will be applied to your customers when they go through the checkout process. Okay, so here we are on our website, and we're going to go through the sales funnel process so you can see how the contact gets added to the High Level account. So if I go to my High Level account right now and I click on contacts, you'll see that there are no contacts inside of the account. Okay, so no records found, no contacts. So here we are on our website. Let's go ahead and check out the programs. We're going to choose this $47 offer. And we're going to go through the checkout process. We're going to fill out all of our details. And we're going to put in our test Stripe card. So on this product, we have 2 order bumps. So you have the ability to tag the customer for specific products, and not just this product, but if they purchase an order bump as well. So let's say that we want to add this $17 order bump to our order. So we're purchasing the main product and then also a bump for $17. And let me bring over this window of our Upsell plugin settings again. If we go to the Email Marketing tab, enable High Level, and they will be tagged with whichever tag you add to this product. So now we're going to come back to our checkout. We're going to hit Submit Payment. Okay, so the payment was successful. We're redirected to an upsell page that we have set. But let's go back to our High Level account real quick. If we refresh the contacts, you'll see there is now 1 contact. Let's go ahead and go inside this contact. So it's with the email address we just used to make the purchase. And if we scroll down to the tag section, you'll see that we were tagged main membership $47 and $17 order bump. So the tags that we created inside of High Level and applied to those specific products. If we go back to our sales funnel, let's say the customer adds this product to their order with the one-click upsell functionality. Click yes, I want instant access for $777. That purchase was processed successfully. We're redirected to our thank you page or to whatever page you want to send them to after they purchase that product. We go back to High Level. Let's refresh this contact. Scroll down to the tag section. So now you see that they have a new tag, Upsell $37 product, which was the High Level tag that we added to that upsell product. So when they purchase a upsell or a downsell with the one-click functionality, that will still apply an appropriate tag inside of High Level so you can create the appropriate automations you need for your customers and your contacts. So that's how you connect High Level with the Upsell plugin. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.